This is a video series you are not going to want to miss. I have prepared for you an 8-week stress-free Christmas planning checklist for you. Every week up to Christmas, I'm going to be giving you a to-do list. And this to-do list is going to take the stress and the hustle and bustle out of the merriest time of year and let you put up your feet, relax, grab a cozy cup of coffee, hot chocolate or tea, and watch that Hallmark movie and just relax into the most magical time of year. I'm gonna do the work for you. So, like I said, this is a series, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. You have landed on the right channel. My name is Angela. I like to go shopping to find you the very best products for the very best price. I also love Christmas and everything to do with the holiday season. So, grab a pencil, grab a cup of coffee or a cup of tea, and let's get down to business. It is so hard to relax during the holiday season when your to-do list gets longer and longer every day, and before you know it, it is December 15th and you have 100 things on your to-do list that you have yet to check off. So we're gonna break up the to-do list into tinier, bite-sized chunks that you can totally handle, you can totally check off, but these bite-sized chunks are something you totally can achieve. There is 8 weeks up until Christmas and I got your back. So I have all the links. I have done all of the charts, the to-do list for you. All you need to do now is fill in the blanks. So this 8-week stress-free Christmas planning guide is here. And week number 1 is all about getting organized. I have all of my notes here and I'm gonna let you know this week we have 8 check marks that we have to give ourselves. And I think that 8 is totally doable. So the first task we are gonna set out and do is design what your Christmas is going to look like. And this is actually kind of fun, and I already talked about this on my tips on how to save money for Christmas video. I do have a bunch of those videos and I'll put that link in the description down below. But I want you to sit down with your family, and together as a family, I want you to talk about what you want your Christmas to look like. What are your top 5 things, your top 10 things, your bucket list for Christmas things that as a family you have to do? For my family, it's build a gingerbread house, bake cookies, go see Santa, definitely Christmas movie marathon night, Christmas board games. We have a lot of to-dos on our Christmas bucket list that we always have to achieve. But sit down with your family and have some fun with this. You know, put on your Christmas jammies, put on some Christmas music, and have fun reminiscing about your Christmas. Also, talk about what's the least important as a family to do. Maybe you're doing a tradition every year that's really stressful for everybody, and maybe not everybody's into it anymore. Be honest with yourselves and talk about what is really important this year. Also, what are some things you can do to help others this Christmas? For myself and my little one, I do Operation Christmas Child. I really like doing that. Are you gonna do something for the food bank or a donation, or I don't know what it is, but talk about with your family, because that also goes with your Christmas planning. Sit down with your calendar and map out what your Christmas season is going to look like. Put in all the Christmas concerts, the Santa visits, everything that you really wanna get done. Tip number 1. Oh, jeez. All right, you've given yourself your first big check mark. You now know what your Christmas is gonna look like. Check mark number 2 is all about that budget. Yes, make your Christmas budget this year. And I'm not talking about, oh, this year our budget's gonna be $500 or $1,000, whatever it's going to be. No, you're gonna break it down. First category is gonna be food. Baking, parties. Are you hosting Christmas? Are you hosting a Christmas party? Do you do a cookie swap with your friends? Do you always like doing a bunch of holiday baking and giving it out as gifts? Make that budget. Gifts. And don't forget that gift wrapping. Everybody always forgets about that. The tape, the bows, the packages, the boxes, Christmas cards, gift tags, stamps, you name it. Decorations. Do you need more decorations this year? Are you out of lights? Do you need more tinsel? Whatever it is, make a budget for that. And then another category, are you traveling this year? What activities do you want to do? Entertainment, is there A self-care thing that you want to do, like maybe this year I really want to get a pedicure for myself. Do you have family pictures that you do every year? New family outfits, that's in that other category. But sit down and be honest with yourself and make that Christmas budget, because this year, honey, you're gonna stick to it. Okay, we're on to our third check mark, and that is gift planning. You know the big guy, the jolly old elf himself, he's making a list and he's checking it twice. You gotta make that list too. Santa can't do all the work by himself. You gotta help him out. So make a list of everybody who's on your list to buy, but then also make a list of people that maybe you need to give a call to and say, do you have any ideas? For instance, my nieces are all teenagers and I need them, hint, hint, girls, to give me a list of what they want for Christmas, and vice versa. I need to prepare a list as well, because I have a lot of family members calling me, asking me what my little girl Ava wants for Christmas, and I want to be prepared. So, gift planning. Who are you gonna buy for? Do you need extra ideas? And then also be helpful, be kind, and have that list prepared when others come calling to you. Okay, check mark number 4, shipping. Do you need to ship any presents afar? Do you need to send them to the other side of the world? Do you need to send them down the street? Take note and make a list as well. You don't need to ship anything yet, but just make a list as well of who you need to ship for, and kind of try and find the time frames that are best. Go down to your local post office and talk to them and say, hey, is it best to start shipping things the first week in December, or is the second week okay? Or maybe there's no-go days that they're like, don't ship on this day. Just do your due diligence, find out, do your research. This is really going to help you. Tip number 5 is plan out your Christmas card list. Now, I'm not really big into Christmas cards anymore, but I know a lot of people still are, and I think that's lovely, and I love receiving cards. I think that maybe I should just stop being so lazy and maybe get back on that train. However, if you are gonna be sending out Christmas cards this year, make your list of everybody that you wanna send to, and then this is the fun part. You're now gonna go out and you're gonna purchase your Christmas cards. You're also going to purchase your stamps. When I was just at Costco, they had a huge deal on stamps. It was buy 100 stamps, and I can't remember what the price was, but it was way cheaper for 100 stamps. I'm gonna go back in my video and check it out, but get those deals now, buy your Christmas cards, make your list of everybody you're gonna send a card to, and check it twice. Okay, tip number 6 is a really, really important tip, and this is also gonna help you get organized. After you've made that gift list, I now want you to go on Amazon and go on all of your online stores and get prepared for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. I don't need you to purchase anything right now, but I want you to start loading up your cart, saving that wish list so that you are prepared for when those incredible deals do come around. There's nothing worse than, oh my gosh, it's Black Friday, and then you're searching frantically online and you know you're gonna miss those deals. No, we're prepared now. We've made our list of people who we want to buy for. We've made our list of what we are going to buy these people for. We've picked up the phone, we've sent a text message, we've asked them what really they want. Then we're gonna put it in our Amazon basket and we're gonna wait and score those Black Friday deals. Okay, tip number 7 is, as a family, do you know that you are going to be traveling? Do you have to go out of town? Do you have any road trips? Do you have to fly somewhere? Start making those travel plans now. Start getting all your ducks in a row. Check out flights. Check out the days you're gonna travel. Hotel deals. Is there any packages that you gotta look for? Get organized. I'm really grateful I don't have to travel anywhere. Mind you, it's like 20 minutes down the road. That's all I have to travel to see my family at Christmas time. But if you know that you do have to travel, start making those plans now. Don't leave it last minute. Okay, and tip number 8, and this is a really, really fun tip, is buy your matching Christmas jammies now. Don't wait. Don't wait, because the deals aren't gonna last for long, and the Christmas jammies really aren't gonna last. Now, if matching Christmas jammies are a thing for your family, You can find them anywhere and everywhere. I've even found them at Indigo. They have matching Christmas jammies. Who knew? They have them at Costco. They have them at Walmart. They have them at Winners. They have them at Carter's. They have them at Children. They have them everywhere. But buy them now and get prepared. Now, I know a lot of people are also trying to cut corners this year and be really smart with their money, and that is a good place to cut a corner. If matching Christmas jammies really isn't that important to you, take it off your list. It's not a worry, not a bother. Or maybe instead of matching Christmas jammies this year and you really don't want to fork out that much money, maybe look at something else. Like maybe it's matching Christmas slippers or matching Christmas mugs, and you can put like little hot chocolates or something in it. Just if you want to do a little touch for your family and get that Christmas morning picture. How cute with everybody like matching mugs, or like Mrs. Claus, Mr. Claus mugs. That'd be super cute. Matching slippers. I just saw a great deal. Check out my last Walmart video. They had great matching Christmas slippers. $19.99. How great is that? Way cheaper than Christmas jammies. But have some fun, get out there and buy your Christmas jammies. Okay, so week 1 is all about getting organized, making our list. We have 8 tasks. Let's do a recap. Task number 1 is to plan out your Christmas. What is your Christmas gonna look like to you? Task number 2 is to make that Christmas budget and break it on down. Now, we wanna get into the details. We wanna make sure that we've budgeted for everything and everyone on our list. Task number 3 is gift planning. Not just the who, but the what, and where are you going to buy it? Be smart about this, make that list. Task number 4 is shipping. Make a plan. If you have to ship out any items, start making that plan now, or actually, if you're waiting for items to get shipped to you, and it's from a special store or somewhere from out of country that you need to get shipped here, make that plan now. Task number 5 is to make that Christmas card list of everybody you'd like to send Christmas cards to. Also, go out, buy those Christmas cards, and buy those Christmas stamps, especially go to Costco, they got great deals. Task number 6 is to plan out Cyber Monday, Black Friday deals coming up. Load up your online shopping carts. Don't buy anything yet. We are not gonna buy anything at full price. Wait for those deals. Task number 7 is brainstorm your travel plans. If you know you have to travel, start looking at those deals now. And task number 8 is to buy those Christmas jammies. All right, my friends, so like I said, click on the description down below. I have all of your budgeting lists, your gift lists. I have everything to help you get organized, because week 1 is all about getting organized, making our list, checking it twice. You do not want to miss this series. I'm telling you, 8 weeks we have to get ready for Christmas. I got your back. This is going to be a stress-free Christmas or holiday season for you, and I'm the girl to help you achieve that. All right, my friends, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.